हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम स्टैंडर्ड 8 का 4.1 द वेट इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं। इसमें हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, राइट डाउन द राइम स्कीम ऑफ स्टैंजास फर्स्ट 2 3 एंड द लीस्ट 2 स्टैंजास, हाउ डू इट डिफर इन देयर राइमिंग स्टैंजास 4 to 7। 1 और 3 राइमिंग स्टैंजा जो है वो कंपेयर करके 4 and 7 से उनमें क्या डिफर है ये हमें बताना है, राइट करना है। आंसर, राइमिंग स्कीम ऑफ 1 and 3 एंड द लीस्ट 2 स्टैंजास आर ABAB and rhyming stanzas 4 to 7 are AABCCB. Stanzas 1 to 3 only 4 lines, whereas in 4 to 7 has 6 lines. Question 2 है, write any 5 illness of the animal in the poem that you find most amusing and lovable. Answer, the lion has cough or cold. The Arctic fox is suffering from heat. The fever caused by virus attacked the chimpanzees. The panther has a wife who chewed his ears. Monkey has pinched his tail. Question number 3A. Out of all names of birds and animals given in the poem, pick out 4 names that are similar in English as well as in Hindi or Marathi or your mother tongue. So यहाँ पे आंसर है zebra, giraffe, kangaroo, chimpanzees. Question B है, translate the name of zoo animals give in the poem into your mother tongue. Lion, उसको शेर और सिंह बोलते हैं। फॉक्स, लोमड़ी और कोल्हा। उसके बाद हिना, लकड़बगदा, तरस। रिनो, गेंडा, गेंडा। क्रोकोडाइल, मगरमच्छ और मगर। जिराफ, मंकी, बंदर और माकड़। हिप्पो, दरियाई घोड़ा, पान घोड़ा। Question number 4. Think deeply and write. Is the poet really discouraging the youth from becoming vets? Explain your response. Answer. The poet absolutely has no intimation to discourage youth from becoming a vet. On the contrary, he wants to bring to their notice that vets' work is very important for the animals who cannot express anything about their illness. He wants to suggest that vet's profession is noble and is more important than man's doctor. He also underlines the hard work involves. Number 5. Find out from a vet or from a website what precaution does a vet have to take when he or she is called to treat wild dangerous animals. Make point-wise note of the same. Answer. The vet needs to take the following precaution while treating a wild dangerous animal. Restrain the animals properly. Appoint strong helpers to handle the animals. Wear personal protective equipment. Prepare a strong and proper iron frame so that animals don't move while treating. Treat the animals with love and care. Make all the equipments and medicines available. Prepare a special area for the treatment. Have an exit strategy in an emergency. Thanks for watching video. इयत्ता 8वीच्या मराठी, सेमी आणि इंग्रजी या माध्यमांच्या सर्व विषयांच्या स्वाध्यायाच्या नवनवीन व्हिडिओसाठी चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब नक्की करा, लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि वर्गमित्रांना शेअर करा.